Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some mathematical tools which will be used in physics. The algebra, in algebra, we know that it is the formula for a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Then for calculating the roots of this quadratic equation, we have a formula x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Our next formula is binomial theorem. Here 1 plus x to the power n is equals to 1 plus nx plus n minus 1 2 factorial x square plus n minus 1 n minus 2 3 factorial x cube plus n dot dot up to infinity, where n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 n minus 2 up to 1. Or suppose that this is 2 factorial, then it means 2 into 1. Similarly for 3 factorial, it means 3 into 2 into 1. Now there are some formulas from trigonometry. As sine minus theta is equals to minus sine theta, while the cos minus theta is equals to cos theta. I have written just two formula of sine and cos because we can calculate tan using this formula, and the other trigonometric ratio can be calculated using these two. Now sine 90 minus theta becomes cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta will be equal to sine theta. Sine 90 plus theta equals to cos theta, and cos 90 plus theta is equals to minus sine theta. Similarly, sine 180 minus theta is equals to sine theta, while cos 180 minus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Sine 180 plus theta is equals to minus sine theta, while cos 180 plus theta is equals to minus cos theta. Using this formula, we can calculate the value of a particular angle. Suppose we want to calculate sine 120, then it can be written as sine 90 plus, it can be written as sine 90 plus 30, and sine 90 plus theta becomes cos theta. This means cos 30, and the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So these are the formula for calculating the value of a given angle, or to calculate the trigonometric ratio of a given angle. Now next we have addition formula. Sin a plus b is equals to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Similarly, sin a minus b is equals to sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And now cos a plus b and cos a minus b, which will be equal to cos a cos b minus plus sin a sin b. Similarly, the formula for tan a plus b is equal, a plus minus b is equals to tan a plus minus tan b upon 1 minus plus tan a tan b. Now what is the use of this particular formula? Suppose we want to calculate sine 15 degree, then we can use this formula by writing this like sine 45 minus 30. Then we can apply the formula of sine a minus b, which will be equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sin b. Cos a and sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. As we know the value of 45 degree, 30 degree, so we can calculate the value of sin 15 degree, sin 75 degree, sin 105 degree using this addition formula. Now coming to the next, the multiplication formula. Multiple formula for sin 2a it is 2 sin a cos a, and for cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, or it can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square a. Similarly, there is a formula for tan 2a. Tan 2a is equals to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Now there are some formula from coordinate also. The equation of a straight line is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, and the equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Now the general equation of a general conic is ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus 2hxy plus c is equals to 0. This equation will represent a parabola if it will satisfy h square minus ab is equals to 0 and abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is not equal to 0. This general conic will represent an ellipse if h square minus ab is less than 0 and a plus b bracket abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is less than 0. Similarly, the given conic will be a parabola if h square minus ab is greater than 0 and abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square is not equal to 0. So these are the formula from coordinate which we will use in physics. Now there are some another formula which are from differentiation. These are the general formula which we should remember. D upon dx of x to the power n is equals to nx to the power n minus 1. D upon dx of c is equals to 0, where c is a constant. Similarly, d upon dx of log x will be log e base log x base e is equals to 1 upon x. D upon dx of e to the power x is equals to e to the power x. D upon dx of sin x is equals to cos x. D upon dx of cos x is equals to minus sin x. And d upon dx of tan x is equals to sec square x. D upon dx of cot x is equals to minus cosec square x. D upon dx of sec x is equals to sec x tan x. And d upon dx of cosec x is equals to cosec x cot x minus cosec x cot x. This is the addition formula for differentiation. If you have to calculate the differentiation of two function fx and gx, then d upon dx of fx plus minus gx will be equal to d upon dx of first function plus minus d upon dx of second function. Now we are going for the product formula. If you want to calculate the d upon dx of fx into gx, then first function will be as it is, d upon dx of second function plus second function as it is, and d upon dx of the first function. Similarly, for the division of two functions, d upon dx of fx upon gx is equals to gx whole square in denominator, second function as it is, d upon dx of first minus first function as it is, d upon dx of second. And some integration formula I have also written here which we will use in physics. First, the x to the power n dx is equals to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Integration dx upon x is equals to log x, a to the power x dx is equals to a to the power x upon log a base e. Similarly, integration e to the power x dx is equals to e to the power x. The integration of sin x is equals to minus cos x. Integration of cos x is equals to sin x. Integration of sec square x is equals to tan x. Integration of cos square x is equals to minus cot x. Integration of sec x tan x will be equal to sec x. Integration of cosec x cot x will be equal to minus cos x cosec x. And the integration of sin ax plus b dx is equals to minus cos ax plus b upon a. Similarly, the integration of cos ax plus b dx will be equal to sin ax plus b upon a. And integration dx upon under root 1 minus x square is equals to sin inverse x, while dx upon 1 plus x square is equals to tan inverse x. So these are the formula which we will use in physics.